I no longer have my second generation car that I showed how I did this. This is very difficult to show people. I'm using what is called Resolve. I'd rather use stuff called Tough Stuff. It's a carpet cleaner. All you do, look at the dirt. All you do is wipe. This will dry. Don't worry about it drying. It'll take its time drying in the summer. That's all the dirt that comes off. Now, I'll do that again for you. If it's filthy, I'll spray more. See how nice and clean the towel is? See it foaming up? You see the dirt that came off. A little harder pressure, and more dirt comes off. Now you can see how nice and clean it is. Oh, because it's got a nice shine now, right? That's how I clean a seat belt. Is it nylon? Is it fabric? Whatever material it is, please don't use alcohol. Alcohol is the wrong substance to use on clothing. OxyClean, baking soda, does a great job. Have a great day, everybody.